Welcome to the back end of SAP Financials. Before you post a single journal entry, we need to drop into the engine room and verify how your global accounting settings are configured. In this walkthrough, we are going to check your system's ledger configurations. Specifically, we will confirm that your individual company code is properly set up to use a local GAAP non-leading ledger. To understand what we are verifying, we first need to look at how SAP handles different accounting standards using the ledger approach. This table shows the standard SAP ledger assignment. The anchor of this system is the leading ledger, known as 0L. This ledger comes pre-delivered by SAP. You cannot deactivate it, and it holds your primary group valuation. The rules for 0L are strict. Every single company code in your client is automatically assigned to it. Furthermore, out of the box, only the values posted to 0L will flow into the controlling, or CO module. Below that, this diagram illustrates how non-leading ledgers operate. Ledgers like 2L for local GAAP sit parallel to 0L. Unlike the leading ledger, these are not automatic. You have to manually activate them for each specific company code. Stacking these ledgers allows you to maintain a single source of truth for international group reporting in 0L, while simultaneously making localized adjustments in 2L to satisfy your specific regional tax and legal requirements. Now that we know the structure, let's open the SAP GUI and verify these ledgers are actually active. This is the SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, or IMG. We will start by expanding Financial Accounting Global Settings. From there, open Ledgers, then the Ledger subfolder, and finally click the Execute icon next to Define Settings for Ledgers and Currency Types. If you prefer to skip the menu tree, you can simply type the transaction code FINSC_LEDGER directly into the command field. Memorizing both the menu path and the T-code ensures you can always access your global parameters, even if a future software update rearranges the folder structure. Executing that transaction brings you to the Global Overview screen. This displays every standard ledger currently configured in your system. First, scan the list to verify that 0L is present. Check the column on the right to ensure its leading checkbox is permanently enabled. Next, scan that same global list and confirm that the 2L ledger exists. Seeing 2L here confirms the ledger is built into the system. However, it does not prove that your specific local company is authorized to post to it. For that, we have to drill down further. Select the row for ledger 2L to highlight it. Then, double-click Company Code Settings for the ledger in the left-hand menu pane. This opens a new view. The table on the right now displays every individual company code that has been granted permission to use the 2L ledger. You need to see populated values in both the fiscal year variant and posting variant columns. If your specific company code is listed and those variant columns contain data, you have absolute technical proof that local GAAP posting is authorized. Step complete. You have successfully navigated the IMG and verified your underlying GL parameters. You've confirmed 3 distinct facts. The parallel ledger approach is active, your leading ledger 0L is intact, and your specific company code has the precise authorization required to use the 2L local ledger. With these checks complete, your system is prepared to accept live postings across multiple accounting standards. Your global financial architecture is now fully aligned, completely legally compliant, and ready to handle real-world accounting data.